Today we start with vector once again, the part 4. Today we are talking about part 4. Under that part 4 of vector, we are talking about miscellaneous concepts of vector. In that one, first one, we have to see the cosine directions. The first one we are talking is cosine directions. And the second one we are talking about component of q bar along v bar. Third one, vector component of q bar along v bar. Fourth one, vector component of q bar perpendicular to v bar. And the fifth one, parallel vectors. And the sixth one is perpendicular vectors. So these six will cover today. So on the concept of miscellaneous vector. So first one is cosine directions. Component of q bar along p bar, and vector component of q bar along p bar. Vector component of q bar perpendicular to p bar, parallel vector and perpendicular vector. Suppose two vectors is given, how to conclude that cosine directions. The first one is cosine direction. So cosine direction. So what is meant by cosine direction? Generally we are dealing with the 3D. Let us take an example. So it is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. The vector is there. A bar is a vector. Now I want to find out alpha, beta, and gamma. So I want to find out alpha, beta, and gamma. So magnitude, we know generally magnitude is that, let's say A bar is equal to AXI cap plus AYJ cap plus AZK cap. Also this is the vector of A bar. Now I want A bar magnitude. So I want to find out A bar magnitude. Already I discussed how to find out A bar magnitude. So let us say AX whole square plus AY whole square plus AZ whole square. So this is the way we are finding about a vector A bar. Now I want to find out the direction of alpha. We want to find out the direction of alpha, beta and gamma. So now I want cos alpha. So cos alpha, how will handle, guys? Very simple. So this is what, guys, AX. This is what A bar. So I want cos alpha. Cos alpha means adjacent side by hypotenuse. So nothing but, so cos alpha is equal to adjacent side is AX by modulus of A. In similar manner, cos beta is equal to AY by modulus of A. Cos gamma is equal to AZ by modulus of A. And now I have to apply squaring on both sides. Let's see what will happen. So cos alpha square plus cos beta square plus cos gamma square is equal to how much? We want to calculate. Let's see. So cos alpha square means, guys, what? AX by modulus of A whole square plus cos beta means what, guys? AY by modulus of A whole square plus AZ by modulus of A whole square. So AX, all we have in denominator values are same. We have to sum the numerator values. So AX square plus AY square plus AZ square by modulus of A whole square. So AX square plus AY square plus AZ square means what, guys? AZ means what? So nothing but ax square plus ay square plus az square by modulus of a means what here? Ax square plus ay square plus az square whole square. Square root to cancel. So what we get finally? Finally we get that ax square plus ay square plus az square by ax square plus ay square plus az square. So both are cancelled, what we get? 1. So what is the answer for this question? So 1 we are getting. So this is the cosine directions. When dealing with 3D objects, generally we are discussing this one. So cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equal to 1. So second thing is that under this consideration about these cosine directions, another one also we are discussing, that is cross product. What will happen? Let's see guys, cross product what will happen. So how to deal with the cross products here? So let's say guys here, once again, this is x, this is y, this is z, this is I cap also, this is j cap, this is k cap. So now I want a cross product of I cross j bar. So I cross j bar, what I get? So I cross j bar, what I get? K cap I get. See guys, this is anti-clockwise direction. In the same manner, j bar cross k bar, j bar cross k bar. So what you get? J bar cross k bar, what is remaining? I cap. In similar manner, k bar caps, k cap cross I cap. So what you get? J cap. So very important. So very important. And the second one, same diagram, my approach is different right now. So let us say this is I cap, this is j cap, so this is k cap also. So now I am moving with the reverse direction. Actually I am there in the anti-clock previously. Now I am moving my direction with the reverse direction. So we know commutative law. According to commutative law, a cross b not is equal to b cross c. So according to that law, like j cross I. So j cross I cap is equal to minus k cap. Same thing. This one also. I cap into k cap is equal to minus j cap. So once again, k cap into j cap, k cap into j cap is equal to minus I. So this is the way we have to get another. When we are going with the, this is anti-clockwise direction, anti-clock. So this is the anti-clock direction, this is clock direction. So how to tackle this cross product? So this is the way we have to deal with the cross product. So I hope you people are understood. The third thing is that when two vectors are given, how to find out the vectors are parallel. Vectors are parallel. So how to find out? So I have given a one vector. So both vectors are parallel or not. So one way is that, so we find out the cross product. So we find out the cross product a cross b is equal to modulus of a bar, modulus of b bar sin theta. So parallel means what? Theta is equal to 0. So theta is equal to 0 degrees. Now I am substituting here. So a cross b bar is equal to modulus of a bar, modulus of b bar sin 0. So sin 0 becomes 0. That means a bar cross b bar is equal to 0. So when cross product becomes 0, what is the meaning of it? So a bar is parallel to b bar. So very important. When cross product becomes 0, what is the meaning of it? When cross product becomes 0, the meaning is that both vectors are parallel. The first one. Second one, suppose if vectors are perpendicular. So vectors are perpendicular once again. I am taking now a bar A bar dot B bar I am taking. A bar dot B bar is equal to modulus of A bar modulus of B bar cos theta now. So what my assumption is that I am taking a perpendicular vectors. So theta become 90 degrees. So theta become pi by 2. Now I am substituting these equations. A bar dot B bar is equal to modulus of A bar modulus of B bar cos 90 degrees. So pi by 2 means 90 degrees. So now what will happen here? So A bar dot B bar is equal to cos 90 means how much? 0. So this becomes 0. When dot product becomes 0, A bar is perpendicular to B bar. Keep in mind, very important. When you're doing the problems, these two are very useful for us. So A cross B bar becomes 0, the vectors become parallel. So A bar and B bar are perpendicular. So A bar dot B bar becomes 0. Then we conclude that the given vectors are A bar is perpendicular to B bar. So that's the first one we are dealing with cosine directions and regarding miscellaneous concepts in cross product and dot product. Now we move on to component of Q bar. Component of Q bar along P bar. So this is very important model. Component of Q bar along P bar. So when you are dealing this one, so I want a component of Q bar along P bar. So let us take P bar dot Q bar is equal to modulus of P bar dot modulus of Q bar into cos theta. So now what I want? Modulus of Q bar cos theta I want. That is the meaning of component of Q bar means modulus of Q bar cos theta I want. So I am to take this one. Modulus of Q bar cos theta is equal to modulus of P bar dot modulus of Q bar dot by this become this side. So okay. P bar dot Q bar by modulus of P bar. So this is the way we have to find out component of Q bar along P bar. Let's have an example so that people are understood. So let's see the example. So let us say P bar is equal to 2y cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. Q bar is equal to 2y cap minus 4j cap plus 2k cap. Now I want to find out modulus of Q bar cos theta. Modulus of Q bar cos theta. So what is the meaning of it? Component of Q bar along P bar I want to calculate. So what will happen now? So P bar dot Q bar. So how to handle P bar dot Q bar? 2 into 2 4 minus 4 into 4 16 minus 2 plus into 2 how much? Minus 10 by modulus of P bar. What is modulus of P bar? So we know already I am telling 2 square plus 4 square plus minus 5 whole square. So what do you get now? So modulus of Q bar cos theta is equal to what you get? 4 minus 16 minus 10. So what you get guys? 4 minus 16 minus 10 minus 26 will get minus 22 by root of 2 square plus 4 square. 2 square is 4, 16, 20 plus 45 will get 45 which is good. So component of Q bar along P bar, what is the getting the value? This is the value we are getting. So modulus of Q bar cos theta is equal to minus 22 root of 45 we are getting. So same thing I am dealing with. So first one is forward, second one is also forward. Component of Q bar along P bar. So this is component of Q bar along P bar. P bar dot Q bar is equal to modulus of P bar dot modulus of Q bar cos theta. So this is Q bar cos theta is equal to P bar dot Q bar by modulus of P bar. So that's the way we have to find out the values. Now let's see the third model. Third model I have to demonstrate. The third model. So I want a vector component. So I don't want component of Q bar. I want a vector component of Q bar. Vector component of Q bar. That is the third one. So vector component of q bar along p bar. So that is very very important. Along p bar. So simple. What we had to this one. So simple. What is the q cos theta? Q cos theta is equal to p bar dot q bar by modulus of p bar we are getting actually. So now we have to take vector component. Vector component means we have to give the direction for this. So q cos theta along which one? P bar. Along which directions we have to take a component, vector component? P cap is equal to p bar dot q bar by modulus of p bar. Modulus of p bar into p cap. So this is the formula for getting the values. So I want to calculate vector component of q bar along p bar. Vector component of q bar along p bar. How to calculate? So q cos theta p cap is equal to p bar dot q bar by modulus of p bar dot p cap. Let's say once again example for this. So let us say p bar is equal to 2i cap plus 4j cap. Q bar is equal to I cap minus j cap. So we have a two vectors I am taking. So what is the p bar dot p bar dot q bar? So what is the p bar dot q bar? 2 into 1, 2 minus 4, which is equal to minus 2. So what about modulus of p cap p bar? So modulus of p bar is equal to root of 2 square plus 4 square, which is equal to 20. So I want p cap values also right now. So p cap is equal to how much? Modulus of p bar by, so p bar by modulus of p bar. So p bar is how much? 2i cap plus 4j cap by, so modulus of p bar, just now we have to get root 20. Now I have to substitute this entire values in the formula. Q cos theta dot p bar is equal to q cos theta dot p bar is equal to, the formula was p bar dot q bar by modulus of p bar. P bar dot q bar is minus 2 and modulus of p bar is root 20 into p bar 2i cap plus 4j cap by root 20. So what is the answer now guys? Minus 2 by root 20 root 20 whole square root cancel, 2 by 10 into 2i cap plus 4j cap. So what is the final? 2 1 jar 2 10 jar. So minus 1 by 5 I cap plus 4 by 10. So 4 by 10 is 2 by 5 j. I hope people are understanding. So I am taking 1 by 10, 2 into 2 1 jar 2 5 jar 2 2 jar 2 5 jar. So this is the answer for vector component of q bar along p bar. This is one of the very important one I hope. So now let's see guys here. We move on to the fourth one. What is the fourth one we are discussing? Vector component of q bar perpendicular to p bar. Now we are tackling vector component of q bar perpendicular to p bar. So let's see an example of this. So this is q bar, this is p bar. So what is the vector component of q bar along p bar? So q cos theta p cap. So this is q. So now I want this q. Let us say x. So vector component of q bar perpendicular to p bar. Fourth one. So vector component of q bar perpendicular to p. So p. So vector component of q bar already around q cos theta dot p bar. So according to parallelogram law vector, so I want to find out to this x. So resultant q we want to calculate. So what is the resultant here? Q is equal to, what is this one we are getting? So this is according to parallelogram law vector p plus q. So what is the p value? X plus q cos theta into p cap. So I want x I want. So So x equal to q bar minus q cos theta dot p. So this is the answer for this. So this is the way we have to calculate vector component of q bar perpendicular to p bar. So already discussed parallel vector and perpendicular vectors. How to calculate these parallel vectors or perpendicular vectors. So I hope you understood. So that is regarding these vectors. So part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4 regarding vectors. The students I am requesting go through it. We have to detail about this vector. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. The physics day is my channel. Please subscribe.